Shubham just sent me this really mean text on WhatsApp. I think it's time to roast him. But wait, the most cringy photo of him is his Instagram DP. Is there a way I can download it and make a meme out of it? Instagram is not just about posting photos and videos. Instead, there are a ton of other things that you can do on the social networking platform. Things like saving a photo without posting it, or scheduling photos and videos, or decorating your profile with special fonts, and the list goes on. Hey there, I am Aman Rashid and welcome to Gadgets 360. In this video, I am going to show you some of the best tips and tricks for Instagram. At the end of this video, there's a bonus tip for you guys, so be sure that you stay with me till the end. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so you know when we post a new video. Now let's get started. Instagram is my favorite photo editing app. It's so good that many times I edit photos on Instagram and save it on my phone without even posting them on the social networking platform. Here's what I do. Open Instagram, tap your profile, tap the hamburger icon and go to settings. Now tap account, then tap original photos and turn on save original photos. Similarly, if you're using an Android, tap account, then tap original posts and turn on save original posts. From now on, whatever you post will be saved locally on your device. However, the plan is to save edited high-res photos without posting them online, and I'll show you how to do that. After enabling this setting, put your phone on airplane mode. Now open Instagram, hit the plus button and add any photo. Go ahead and edit it. Keep going, and once you're on the last page, skip adding the caption or location and simply post the picture. So because airplane mode is turned on, Instagram won't be able to post the picture, but in return you'll have yourself the same edited photo in your phone's gallery. Now before turning off airplane mode, make sure that you have deleted the picture on Instagram that wasn't posted. This is because if you don't delete it and turn off airplane mode, the picture will automatically be posted once your device is connected to the internet. Have you ever wondered how you can make your followers think you are traveling even during the lockdown? One way is to keep posting one travel picture every day. So how do you do that? Well, follow these steps. The first method to schedule posts require you to have a business account. To turn your account into a business account, open Instagram and tap your profile icon. Now tap the hamburger icon in the top right and go to settings. After that, go to account, and at the bottom you'll see an option that lets you create a business account. Select it and follow the prompts to transform your account into a business account. Switching to a business account means your profile will be public because business accounts can't be private. If there's a problem, then I'd suggest you skip to the next step. Moving on, visit facebook.com/creatorstudio on your computer. The process can be done on your phone as well, however the experience is not that smooth on smartphones. Now once this site is loaded, you need to click on the Instagram logo up top and connect your Instagram account with this page in order to go ahead. In my case, I have already connected my account, so I will just go ahead. Moving on, you now have to click on create post and click Instagram feed. Now simply add the photo that you'd like to schedule. Add its caption, its location, and once you're done doing all this, click the down arrow right next to publish and select schedule. Now enter the time and date, and once you're done, hit schedule. Doing this will schedule your post for the future. So this is an official method, and for now it only works for business accounts. However, if you have a normal account and you want to schedule posts on Instagram, in that case you can do it via a third-party app. Follow these steps. Download the preview app on your phone. Follow the on-screen prompts and set it up. So once your Instagram account is linked, from the home page you click on the plus icon and select photos or videos. After that, choose the photo or video that you'd want to schedule. Now once that photo is loaded on the main page, you tap it. After that, there's an option to edit the photo as well if you want to. Once done, hit the thought bubble. On this page, you can add captions and hashtags, but most importantly, you need to tap schedule post. Once you do that, you'll be asked to choose the date and time. Finally, hit done. Your post will now be scheduled for the future. You'll be able to check and manage your scheduled posts by hitting the calendar icon up top. Also, if you wish to delete the scheduled post, then that's possible as well. Now for the tip you've all been waiting for, how to access a full-sized Instagram profile picture. To do that, follow these steps. Visit instadp.com and enter the account username of the person whose profile photo you want to view in full size. Once you've found the profile you were looking for and it is loaded, simply hit full size and scroll down. You can then either screenshot it to make a meme or do whatever you want to do. That is literally it. You're welcome. With Instagram, you can post photos, videos, or even stories without even having to give permissions to the app. So how is it done exactly? Well, you can do it from Instagram's mobile website. Follow these steps. Open Instagram in your phone's browser. Now to upload a photo, you tap the plus icon at the bottom, tap photo library, or you can click a new photo. Then simply choose your photo, edit it as you would usually do, tap next, write a caption, add your location and tag people, and once done, hit share. Similarly, if you want to post an Instagram story, from the home screen you tap the camera icon up top, then choose a photo or click a new one. After that, edit it, and once you're done, tap add to your story to go ahead. Next, to post a video in your story, if you're using an Android phone, open the video that you want to share in the gallery. Tap the share icon and then tap Instagram stories. There is no way to share videos to an Instagram story via an iPhone. Lastly, to post a video to your Instagram feed, if you have an Android phone, open the video, tap share and then tap Instagram feed. From here on, edit your video, tap next, add a caption, tap share, and that's it. Similarly, if you have an iPhone, go to photos and choose the video that you would want to share in your Instagram feed. Open the share sheet and select Instagram. iPhone users only get the option to add a caption. Once done, hit OK to share the post. Whenever you're online on Instagram, there's a green dot icon that appears right next to the profile icon in DMs. However, Instagram has a feature that lets you hide your online status. Here's how you can do that. Open Instagram and go to settings. Tap privacy, then tap activity status, and you need to turn off show activity status. This way, no one will be able to know whether you are online on Instagram. On the downside, you also won't be able to see the activity status of your friends. There's also a neat trick to hide read receipts. Whenever you receive a new message on Instagram, instead of opening the chat thread, turn on airplane mode on your phone. After airplane mode is on, go back to the chat thread and read the message. This way you'll be able to read the message without notifying the sender that you have seen their text. Now, before turning off airplane mode, make sure you log out from Instagram. To do that, tap your profile icon, then tap the hamburger icon and go to settings. Scroll down and select log out. After logging out, you can turn off airplane mode, and with your phone now connected to the internet, you can log into your Instagram account. So now when you'll go back to direct, you'll see an unread badge right next to the sender whose message you just read a few moments ago. You can basically ignore this now as you've already read the message contents. Yes, you can make a photo collage without using any other app. If you're using an iPhone, open Instagram and tap the camera icon. Now choose a photo that you'd want to post. Once this photo is loaded, minimize Instagram and go to the Photos app. Now open the second photo, hit the share icon and tap copy photo. Now go back to Instagram and you'll see a pop-up on the bottom left asking you to add this photo as a sticker. Tap it and that's all. Now resize and arrange it as you like. You can repeat this step as many times as you like to make your collage. Once done, share your story. On the Android side of things, the process is a little longer, but it is possible. Here's how. Download the SwiftKey keyboard from Google Play. Once the app is installed, give it all the permissions and set it up. After that, exit SwiftKey. Now go to Instagram stories and create a background for your collage. I will go for a black background. Once done, tap in the middle so that the keyboard shows up. You then click the sticker icon from the top row of the keyboard, followed by clicking on the pin icon in the bottom. Once you do that, you need to click on the camera icon, then give permission to the app, and that's all. By doing this, you can now choose any photo as personalized stickers. Once you tap the photo, it appears on the screen, after which you can freely resize it or arrange it. You can repeat the steps and add as many photos as you'd like. Instagram has millions of users, but how do you stand out? One way is to use special fonts. Now, not only can you post visually appealing photos on Instagram, but you can also customize your personal details in a way that they look attractive to your profile visitors. Here's how to do it. Simply go to your Instagram profile on a computer. I'd say computer because it just makes the process easier. You can also do this on a smartphone. So all you need to do is to go to your Instagram profile and hit edit profile. Now copy your name. After this, open a new tab and visit igfonts.io. Over here, you paste the text that you just copied. By doing this, you'll now see the text in a variety of different fonts. Choose any, then select and copy. After that, go back to your Instagram profile and paste it. Similarly, you can repeat the process for your bio as well. If someone's annoying you on Instagram and you don't want to block them outright, you can easily restrict them. Open Instagram and go to the user profile of the person you want to restrict. Next, tap following, then tap restrict, and finally tap restrict account. Now, whenever this person interacts with your post in the future, say they drop a comment on one of your photos. In that case, their comment will only be visible to them. Their chats will be moved to your message requests. Moreover, you'll be able to control if you want to read comments made by them or ignore them. The best part is this person won't even get to know that you've restricted their account. Well, that's about it for this video. These were some of the best tips and tricks to master Instagram. Do you have any tips that you'd like to share with me? Write it down in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please hit the like button and share this video with others. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.